Paramount's In-Floor Cleaning System Installation Guide. This video is a broad overview of important details involved to successfully installing an in-floor cleaning system. Refer to the written installation manual and pool plans for complete details and important safety instructions. Each section will cover plumbing, rebar, pool shell, final finish, and startup. Nozzle plumbing guidelines. Paramount recommends that the feed lines enter at the center of the length of the pool. Generally, this will provide for the least amount of pipe needed. Dig a trench 15 inches deep by 19 inches wide and excavate a large niche to the bottom of the pool depth at that location. This will allow ample room for the feed lines. To begin plumbing the nozzles, first remove the dome from the water valve. Use 2-inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe for the feed lines, and we strongly recommend the use of primer on all underground joints. The center port is the inlet to the valve and is plumbed to the outlet of the filter, or a pump in the case of a 2-pump system. Plumb the water valve at least 6 inches above water level. Refer to the pool plan for the number of ports required. Stagger the pipe for each port at least 3 inches. For example, for ports 2, 4, and 6, the pipe length is 12 inches. For ports 1, 3, 5, the pipe lengths are 15 inches and the inlet pipe is 18 inches. Replace the valve cover and clamp it to the base. Important: do not plumb nozzles in line. All nozzles must be on a branch. At each nozzle location, install a 2-inch elbow with a Paramount riser. Cut the riser to the proper length to ensure the ribs will be in the concrete. All risers must be 90 degrees to the finished pool floor, except for steps and benches. Cap and pressure test all lines. Drain plumbing guidelines. To plumb the drain, start by positioning the MDX R3 sump so the elbow is perpendicular to the inside wall or end wall. Dig a hole large enough for the sump to be completely encased in concrete. The top edge of the MDX R3 sump is positioned 1 inch below the finished depth of the pool, spa, or a basin. Plumb the required SDX2 high-flow safety drain on a sidewall of the pool below the water level with the pipe perpendicular to the pool wall. If you're installing Paramount's optional DDC2 or EDC debris canister, plumb it between the drain and the pump inlet. Then plumb the drain to the pump inlet. Rebar guidelines. Rebar must be kept away from risers and bent around riser if necessary to maintain a minimum of 2 inches away. Keep rebars 3 inches away from MDX R3 sump and the SDX2 pipe and fittings. Shotcrete and gunite. After shooting the concrete, form an 11-inch round by 2-inch deep sump in the concrete with a finger-sized cutout around the pipe to allow room for a watertight seal for the SDX2. Angle shell down to MDX R3 sump. Make cutout 17 1/4 inches round by 3/4 inches deep. Make a cutout around the riser pipes approximately 1 inch deep and 1 inch bigger. After the shell is dry, cut pipe for the SDX approximately 1 inch behind the concrete shell surface. Plug with a sponge prior to installing the interior finish. Align the leveling ring keyway with the sump alignment key. Adjust the elevation and the angle of the leveling ring to align it with the finished interior surface of the pool, spa, or basin. Use a sealing compound compatible with the interior surface to lock the concrete ring in place and to provide a watertight seal. Cut the riser pipes flush with the concrete surface. Remove the cap from the nozzle body. Apply PVC glue to the entire outside barrel of the body. Prime the inside of the pipe at least 3 inches. Push the body into the pipe until the nozzle body water stop is aligned with the concrete, so the top edge will be flush with the pool interior finish. Let fumes vent for 30 minutes then replace all body caps. Applying interior finish. Before the finish is dry, install the SDX2 concrete ring with the tab marked top in the 12 o'clock position and press it into the finishing material. Wipe clean any finishing material from the top edge and mounting surface of the concrete ring and trowel the finishing material around the outside and inside of the concrete ring to form a watertight seal around the suction pipe. After interior finish is dry, install the SDX2 cover. Align the concrete support with the alignment tab located on the concrete tab. Install 3 machine screws to 18 inch-pounds. Align the SDX2 cover with the support holes. Install 3 security screws to 14 inch-pounds. Install the MDX3 funnel assembly and cover. Start by removing the 4-inch pressure plug. Install the funnel assembly and secure with 4 security screws with T25 security screwdriver to 14 inch-pounds. Install the cover into the funnel's assembly with 3 security screws to 34 inch-pounds. Startup. Fill pool with water and start the pool pumps. After the pump has been running for a short time, turn off the pump. Install the module into the water valve body. Restart the pump and let it cycle 2 times to blow out nozzle caps and to clear all lines of construction debris. Install nozzles by snapping the nozzle into the install tool. Insert nozzle into the body and turn clockwise 1/4 turn to lock the nozzle into the body. If you follow these important guidelines and read the installation manual for complete details, the in-floor system will work efficiently. For further information or technical support, please visit oneparamount.com and click on Support, or call 1-800-621-5886 and ask for tech support.